Hi folks, my name is Ken Quick. Welcome to Guarantee RV. Today it's my pleasure to show you this 2016 Leprechaun 319 DS. If you have any questions about this coach or any other coach, give me a call. I'm a retired teacher and coach from Idaho. My number is 208-250-8625. Let's go inside and take a look around. I really like this floor plan. Got a walk-around bed in the back, closets on both sides. This is actually a slide out right here, so you have a huge closet, goes all the way to there, and then this one slides back, and you have spots for shoes or sweaters. TV up here on the wall. There's a tank underneath. Shower's right here. Having that shower here gives us a lot more room in the living area of this coach. And across the hall is going to be the powder room. Nice vanity. As we move into the kitchen area, you have this nice U-shaped dinette with a big window. We're right next to another coach here, so you don't see a lot of the light coming through. Got a freezer up above, refrigerator down below, microwave, 3-burner cooktop, oven down below, 2 stainless steel sinks, plenty of counter space in this coach, more storage up above here, plenty of room for a garbage can. Lots of drawers, stereo here, DVD player, pop-up TV, which gives you eye-level TV, which is really nice to have. You don't see that a lot in Class C motorhomes, so this is really cool. This goes up and down with just the push of a lever. You can see that going down. And across from the TV, you've got your couch, which also turns into a bed. Dinette turns into a bed. You also have the sleeper up front right here, up above with a ladder. Okay, in this cockpit here, you've got you got cruise control, backup camera. All right, right here, we've got our propane tank, easy access. Big windows, manual awning. TV here outside. Big storage tray underneath here. Storage compartment. More storage on this side. And then very large storage area in the back. That's a table. We just got this coach in, so it needs a little cleaning, but great big storage area back here with 3 access points. Here's your backup camera up above. You have your receiver and plug in here in the back. In case you want to tow anything, LED lights on this coach. Another access point. I brought the slides in so we can see this side a little bit better. Here's your shower, outdoor shower. Okay, water connection. Right here we got the sewer hookups. Looks like you got a little air ride here, ride right. Another little storage compartment there. Kind of getting tight in here, but we'll make it. Generator here, owning 4,000. Gas generator. Another storage area right here. We're going to move around to the front of the coach. If you've got any questions about this coach or any of the other coaches you see on our website, please give the coach, that's me, a call at Guarantee at 208-250-8625. Thank you. Have a great day.